Hello, crafty friends. It's the 1st of April, and that means it's time to have a look at our clubs from Spellbinders. First up is our small die of the month, and it is called Snail Mail Post. I think this is totally adorable. You get that awesome little snail. You're going to get a letterbox with all the gorgeous little details, including that flag and the opening mailbox. You've got those cute little envelopes or letters with the little heart detail that you can use in multiple ways. I love that our snail also has his little postie or mailman's hat as well as his mailman's bag. It makes totally adorable little scenes as well as making cute cards by itself using that snail or using some of the elements from the set by themselves. Next is our large die, and it is called Lock and Key Mailbox. Now, this is unique. I haven't seen something quite like this before. So this is a large die, and you're going to get all the pieces you need to make your very own mailbox. Now, it comes with all the decorative inlaid pieces for your mailbox, as well as the beautiful little decorative flowers that you can add on. You've got the letters sentiment that cuts out, or the hello sentiment. You've got decorations to put onto the front of your mailbox along with the lock and key for it. Next is our stitched taking notes die. Now this is really cute. So it looks like a paper pad that you die cut out, and then you've got all your holes for you to be able to sew, nice straight lines going across your page, and then you've got the line to make a margin for down the left side. So it does look very much like a notepad. I think this is going to be very useful. Now you can use it as a whole piece. You can use it just as a section where you're cutting out the frame of a paper page. But put them together and you get the ability to have a lovely stitched background. Next is our Glimmer of the month, and it is called Scattered Letters. Now this is really nice. I like this one a lot. You have got a large glimmer plate that's going to give you all the detail of your envelopes front to back all over the background of your card. And of course you're going to get your roller foil, and this month it's a beautiful glossy black foil. And then you have multiple sentiments that you can use with your glimmer plates here. Now, if you're in the Caboodle Club, you're going to love the bonus that you get with this month's kit. Okay, so you can see lots of different ways of colouring or leaving this glimmer set plain and still looking gorgeous. The BetterPress is called Post Edge Expression, and I love this one. I just really like that handwritten background that we've got. That looks like you've written or someone's written a letter, and then of course it has the postage stamp frame around as a border. You also get two sentiments to go with this set, and I think there's going to be so many projects that you can use this handwritten or scripted font as a background or as a feature on your cards or projects. Is going to be one that you can come to and use over and over again. Now next we have our stencils of the month, and it's called Stay in Touch, right on theme. So you've got a gorgeous set of layering stencils here. You get the stencils to be able to make your multi-toned or multicolored envelopes, as well as your I'm trying to think of the right name, the postage frame that goes around your envelope as well. Now, of course, this looks gorgeous coloured or shaded in different shades of the same colour, whether you choose to do it rainbow style or whatever way that takes your fancy. Now, we have the clear stamp and die, and it's called Send and Seal. This is a really cute little stamp set and die set as well. I think lots of different ways we can use this, and there's even ones on the stamp set that look like they're parcels, not just envelopes. So again, lots of way to use that. Now you do get dies that cut out different parts of your background, stamp background, and you can use those to layer on top of your stamped images or use them separately as a feature themselves. Our 3D embossing folder is called Postage Mosaic. I am so excited for this embossing folder. I think this is magnificent. Just look at all the different images that it embosses, and yes, they are postage stamped shape. And you've got lots of beautiful images of mushrooms and flowers, the hearts, the glasses, the umbrellas, just lots of different themes for many different occasions. And of course, instead of using it as one embossed panel, you can go in and cut up those individual stamped images to use on projects separately. And I love the idea of being able to do that with this embossing folder. Our 2D embossing folder of the month is called Perforated Stamp Edges, and you will see that this is exactly how it's named. You're going to get row upon row of the shape or edges that you get around your stamps, your postage stamps, when you tear them apart. You are going to be able to have lots of different ways to use this. So while it is perfect for the postage theme that we have going on with this month's kits, it's simple enough that it's going to make a fantastic background for all different types of projects and occasions. So very useful. Petal Postage is the name of our wax seal of the month, and you can see that gorgeous silvery smoked blue wax beads that is included this month. Now the wax seal itself is quite a large one. It makes this gorgeous rectangular stamp shape, and it has a 3D impression of different flowers on its grid background. And you can see in the examples just how much depth and impression that this wax seal can make. Real 3D image. And of course, if you're in the Deluxe caboodle, you're going to get absolutely everything you've seen here so far, plus 2 fantastic bonus gifts. So this month you're getting the stencils to go back with that glimmer plate of the envelopes. As well as that, you're getting a sample of the Spellbinders coloured papers in their colour wheel. So great opportunity to try out some of the papers in the collection as well. I really love this month's themes and the products. I hope you found something in there that gets you excited too. I know I'm looking forward to getting my hands back in and crafting with some of these fantastic items. I hope you join me again very soon, but until next time, bye bye for now.